this is supposed to be right into, I believe, the driveway, is what the contractor handyman said. And when we get to it, you'll see that it is 100% underwater, as you can see. We can't go any further because when I did before, I think there may be a check valve somewhere in there, which means I couldn't get my camera out. So that's where it's going into. So this is why it's just backing up the sump pump and just discharging out of the outlet next to the foundation.